Sears has everything customers need to maintain their snow thrower throughout the season. Let's take a look at some of the key items you should recommend to your customer when they are purchasing a snow thrower. First, shear pins and shear bolts. If while throwing snow you hit an obstruction such as a rock or newspaper, a shear pin is designed to shear off and prevent damage to the gearbox. It will need to be replaced in order to throw snow effectively. So you should always have backups of these shear pins on hand. Next, we have belts. They control both the auger and drive systems. For the technically savvy customers, recommend backup belts so they can quickly replace should a belt happen to fail. You also want to advocate oil and replacement spark plugs as well. For seasonal maintenance at convenience of their home, other replacement parts your customer can purchase are skid shoes, starter handles, or an ignition key. Lastly, a number of these items will be packaged in a maintenance kit, which can be purchased for the customer who wants to keep their snow thrower running like new. The kit contains a replacement spark plug, oil, and the no stick spray for inside of your auger housing.